Hey, today we want to share some updates for our WooCommerce plugin, and today I think it's great because what we have done is we have improved quite a lot the experience in the backend. I mean, the front end is kind of the same. You have your agents, your widget, users can contact you, but in the front end, in the backend, we have done a few updates I think are going to help you a lot to sell more. The first one is this one. We have here we have a block that you can use. You can rearrange, you can move. If you want to delete it, you can delete it, but I think it's great. This is a tool, this is a block with your latest orders from WooCommerce, and from here you can start chatting with the customer. You can start sending the WhatsApp to the customer like, hey, is everything okay? In this case is because the customer cancel the order, so it's good for you to reach him. This can be your the first thing you do in the morning. Like you come here, you check your orders from the day before or in that moment, and you start chatting with the customers right away. Why? Because you want to recover shopping carts. You want to if the customer purchase a product from your website, you want to ask him how is it going. Is he happy? Is this for a special event? Are you happy with the payment process? Please reply to NPS, a Net Promoter Score, just to do some follow-up. I mean, it's very good to stay in touch with your customers. If you go to the WooCommerce part, the same. You will have all the orders, and also you will see the latest message you have sent. This one is the one we just did 54 seconds ago, and this is the way to keep track of your team. How your team is doing. Are they talking to your customers? Are they following up the orders? Are they checking with customers? So this is very good for you as a manager and for your team to know what is going. This is very easy to see, very easy to follow. And if you go to the customer itself, if you go to the to the final step, you will see the last message, but you will see all the previous messages. This is going to tell you how the conversation is going. You don't see you don't see the replies from the user. You only see what you send from here. So this is important to understand, that what you send from here is what we record. So it's very important to tell your team to start the conversation from WordPress, from WooCommerce, because that way you can track the conversation in the control panel. So this is the update. I think it's great. The plugin is fantastic as it's is being for a while. You can add your agents. You can customize the look and feel. You can add coupons, banners, settings. You have Facebook Analytics, Google Analytics. You have a log. You have a lot of tools already on the plugin, and of course this is the place where you enable all the WooCommerce configuration. So we think it's a great update. We hope you like it. We hope you use it, and please send your comments, send your feedback, and we will be happy to keep improving the widget as it is, and to help you sell more. That's our goal. We want to help you sell more. And we think this new feature, this new add-on is going to help you a lot, because it's going to help you understand how your sales are doing, how your team of support is doing, how you engage with your customers. So super easy to set up, super easy to use, and everything is built in, so you just need to put it as your customers for the phone number in the registration and start clicking and chatting with them. Okay, so thank you and keep working. Thank you.